హలో హలో రైట్ అమ్మా లాస్ట్ బెంచ్ చెప్పండి. ఓ ఓకే హలో హలో ఓకే last class we discussed about the decision tree classification. Hello, decision tree classification is a supervised algorithm. Okay, that is tree structure classified. It have the mostly solving the problem of classification problems. Okay, classification problems. This is about the decision tree. We have a decision tree, decision nodes, and leaf nodes. Leaf nodes should be result nodes. Decisions are intermediate nodes. Okay. Then we have to study about one of the example. Okay. Hello. One of the example. Suppose a candidate to offer the letter. Okay, they can accept their offer letter based on their cap provided or not. Whether their cap provided, they can offer the letter. Based on that one, they may be decision can be taken. Okay, this is a famous example is given in your examination pattern also. Suppose there is a candidate who have job offer, want to decide whether should accept the or not. To solve this problem, decision tree with the root node, salary is the one of the attributes. Salary is the main attributes. It having the 50,000 to 80,000. Okay. Last bench. Okay. Main attribute is salary account. Salary is there 50,000 to 80,000. Okay. Then it is out to the two again nodes near to home or near to home S. Otherwise decline it. Okay. They are providing the cap S. Otherwise decline it. Okay. S or no. Accepted or declined. Simple. Okay. Last class we discussed about some of the age group. Age is okay 0 to 100 age. Okay. Whether the how many persons have the 0 to 10 age. Okay. If 0 to 100, then segregate into the 0 to 20, 0 to 21 to or 50, 51 like that one. Another example, salary. Based on the salary, whether they accept their job offer or not. Okay, we got any offer. Okay, it is near to home or not. If it is yes, okay. The company provide any cab or not. If it is cab is okay, yes. Otherwise, decline it. Based on that one, we have the classify the algorithm, decision tree, very simple algorithm. Very simple algorithm. Okay, next one. Okay, what is the applications? Okay, we have to decide up the applications also, advantages and that one. Okay, advantages of decision tree. It is simple to understand the same process with a human follow the making. That is very simple to understand. First advantages. It is very useful to solve the decision related problems. It is easy to solve the decision related problems. Okay, what are the decision involved? Today I want to go to the college or not? Today I want to go to the movie or not? Okay, etc. etc. That decisions. Okay, today I want to go to the movie. Okay, what reason I told to the our class teacher or our mentor, everything. Okay, if they're agreed, yes. Otherwise, what reason I need to told? The decision like simple. It is very useful for solving the decision related problems. Okay, thinking about the possible outcome of a problems. Okay, it is compulsory we get the outcome. Okay, we are getting the outcome. Yes or no, na? That means we are getting the a possible outcome we are getting. Okay, it is required less requirement. Okay, less. Okay, it requires the less requirement data cleaning compared to the other algorithm. Okay, cleaning means missing values, knowledge data, everything. It is the best less requirements. Okay, these are the some of the advantages of decision tree. Next, disadvantages. Okay, it is a decision tree. Lot of layers are there. It will make the very complex. Lot of layers are there. Okay, it is a very complex will be there. Okay, multiple decisions, nested decisions are there. It is unable to hold that ones. Okay, 4 layer, 5 layers decisions can be accepted. Okay, 100, thousands. Okay, decision will not accepted. That means it's a complex problem. A decision tree contains a lot of layers, which makes the complex. Overfitting issues we can solve for the random forest algorithm. Okay, another is the overfitting. That means multiple decision cannot be taken at a times. This is called the overfitting problem. Okay, multiple decision cannot take at a time. The overfitting problem. That means it can be solved with the random forest next algorithm. Okay, more class labels or computation complex decision can be increases. If the more classes are increases, or more complexity is increases. Class labels. Class means attributes. Or one classes the different attributes are there. Like that one, if you have anything is there, the classes, more classes are increases. Also in decision tree also unable to hold. Okay, this is about the decision tree. Okay, first unit totally some of the theory is there. Okay, second unit, third unit, or second unit also theory. Third unit we have the problems in RNN and CNN problems, algorithms. Already I show the syllabus. Syllabus. Okay, this is about the decision tree. Any doubts on decision tree? No? Okay, next we will go for the what is your random forest algorithm. Okay, what is forest? It's a number of trees are available, different trees. Okay, forest means okay, combination of animals also there, but mainly we have a trees. Okay, trees nothing but is not one type of trees we are getting. Okay, we are getting the different types of trees. Okay, different types of tree has the different outcome. Okay, that may be a banana or any apple, everything. Okay, mango trees, everything. So yeah, okay, fruits. We are talking about fruits. Okay, different trees will be there. Like a random forest means the forest have the different trees. Okay, it is a combination of different multi-decisions algorithm. Okay, ensemble algorithm, that means hybrid algorithm. A random forest is a combination of multi-decision algorithms. Okay, it's simple. You have to remember this simple term only. Okay, random forest is a multi-decision algorithms. Okay, every stage we are getting the one decision. Every stage we are getting the one decision. Based on the done decision, how much of probabilities are there for the decisions? For example, apple we are getting for the 10 times. That is outcome of the random forest. Okay, how much of number of probabilities are that outcome is increases? Based on these probabilities, we are getting the outcome. This is simple. Okay, random forest nothing but a number of decisions are included. Number of decisions, multi decisions are included in the random forest. Okay, random forest. Every decision have the one out. Every decision having the one output. Okay, the number of outputs we are taken. Number of outputs are taken. How much of probabilities of one item is occurring? N number of times. Okay, that will be calculated. That is called as our decision. That is our called as a decision outcome. Okay, that is a simple algorithm also. A random forest student, random forest a popular machine algorithm belongs to the supervised. It can be used the classification and regression. Okay, it is also a supervised algorithm. Okay, it is also a supervised algorithm. It contains the classification and regression. What is the classification? Yes or no? Okay, yes or no. What is the regression? Time series data. Time series data. Okay, same. It is a classification and regression which process combination of multi-classifier to solve the complex problem. Multi-classifiers. Multi-classifier means number of decisions, multiple decisions. Okay, the name suggests non-positive classifier is contain the number of decision tree on various subset of given data set. Already told. A random forest algorithm contains the number of decision trees. Multiple number of decision tree we are getting. Okay, to improve the predictivity accuracy of data set. To predictivity accuracy of data set. Okay, for example, a bunch of fruits will be there. A bunch of fruits will be there. Okay, in the bunch of fruits, okay, for example, we are predicting that ones. Okay, we are taking the one decision is apple also get. We are taking another decision also. We are getting the apple also get. Another apple also there. Another apple also. Okay, last two we are getting the banana or any mango is there. That means okay, which one is outcome is more apples. That means the number of outcomes based on the number of outcomes, the bunch contain the apples. Like that one, we predict that a random forest algorithm. Okay, random forest classifier contain the number of decision trees and various subset of given data takes average to improve the predictivity of data set. మీకు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూపిస్తే అర్థమైపోతుంది. This is example. We have a training data set is there. Okay, multiple decision tree. One training data set, we have a one decision tree. Another training data set, another decision tree. Another training data set, another decision. Okay, number of decision. Okay, this decision apple. This is the decision also apple. This is decision apple. That voting is averaging. Then we are getting the prediction. Okay, see the example. Plants ఎక్కువ. This one. This is example of random forest. We discussed algorithm also. Okay, is a bunch of then is there. Okay, first decision we are getting the class A is a one apple. Class B is also class 2. Tree 2 is a one apple. Tree N is one banana. That means majority voting is apple only. That is called classification. That is called as a final class is nothing but apple. That is a random forest algorithms. Random forest algorithm. For example, random forest algorithm ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు మామిడి తోట ఉందమ్మా. మామిడి తోట ఉంది. మామిడి తోటలో ఓకే 80% మామిడి తోట ఉందనుకో 20% వేరే చెట్లు ఉన్నాయి అనుకో. That is we are predicting, that is called as a purely okay mango forest. Like that one. Based on the random forest algorithm. based on the random forest. ఓకే, ఇటు చూసినప్పుడు మ్యాంగో చెట్టు, ఇటు చూసినప్పుడు మ్యాంగో చెట్టు, ఇటు పోయినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏదన్నా జామ చెట్టు ఉందనుకో, ఓకే జామ చెట్టు, ఇటు చూసినాక మ్యాంగో చెట్టు, అటు చూస్తే మ్యాంగో చెట్టు. దట్ మీన్స్ based on the every decision we are getting the and mango tree. That means some are the we are getting for the a jam చెట్టు ఉందనుకో, గోవా ట్రీస్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకో, దట్ మీన్స్ the total we are getting the prediction should be a mango tree only. The prediction should be a mango tree. Okay, that is called as a random forest algorithm. Simple. Random forest algorithm, a collection of multi-decision algorithms. Multi-decision is ensembles. That is a hybrid algorithm. Every stage, one classification is done. Every stage, one classification is done. And yes or no. Okay, based on the decision tree. One classification is done based on the decision tree. Okay, number of outputs we are getting, n number of outputs we are getting. Among the n number of output, the average output we are taking. How much of average? But who is the class leader for your that one? For example, 80 students are taken for the 1%. 20 students are not taken. Okay, that is called as a random forest algorithm. That is called as a random forest algorithm. Are you getting my point? Okay, ardhamainda random forest algorithm. Okay, see. Okay, once again. Okay, random forest algorithm belongs to supervised learning algorithm. It is used for both classification and regression in the machine learning. It is based on a concept on ensemble learning. Ensemble means already told. What does it means? What does hybrid? Hybrid collection of different algorithms. Collection of different algorithms. అంటే one or more algorithm we combine చేస్తే వచ్చింది ensemble algorithm. Okay. The name suggests random forest classifiers contain the number of decision trees and various subset of a given data set and take the average and improve the predictivity accuracy of the data set. That means based on the data set, number of decisions will be taken. Number of decisions will be taken. The average is there. What is the average there? That is called as a final out. That is called as a final out. What is the decision tree? It is also classification algorithm. Decision tree based on your decision of nodes. Decision tree based on the decision of nodes. First node, okay, between your query, okay, yes. Second node, between your query. Query ante what you are asking. What you are asking. Query another. For example, I want to accept or reject the offer of job. Na query adi. Na problem adi. Okay, random decision tree ఏం చేస్తుంది? ఫస్ట్ salary చూసుకుంటే 50,000 to 80,000. Okay, good. Next, it near to my home or not? Yes. Okay, whether they are providing the cab or not? Yes. Then I can offer later. Otherwise, any stage it reject the offer letter. That is called as a decision tree. Decision tree levels, root node, hierarchical model. Nothing but a hierarchical model is a decision tree. Root node, subnode node, etc., etc. Then coming to the random forest algorithm, the various decision trees, the collectively various decision tree, we produce the one output based on their average outcome. Based on their average outcome. In the average outcome today, apple, banana. Apple are getting the 2 times. Okay, the based on average output, which one is apple only? That is outcome should be a final outcome should be a apple only. This is a random forest algorithm. Okay. This is the random forest algorithm. Training data set is there. Okay, training data set, we are getting the one decision and another training data set. Okay, one decision, number of decisions. Then voting is average. Okay, prediction. Averaging that one and we are getting the prediction. Okay, how it is work, the random forest algorithm? Okay, step 1, select the random k data inputs from the training data set. And k is the number of elements in the data set. Okay, step 2, building the decision tree. Okay, I already told random forest nothing but a collection of decision tree algorithms. Already told collection of decision tree algorithm. Building the decision tree associated with the selected data. Okay. Step 3, choose the n for the decision tree you want to build. Okay, n number of decisions you want to build. That number should be chosen. Repeat the step 1 and 2. Repeat the step 1 and 2 until unless you got the average outputs. Average output. This is about the problem, example problem. Okay, suppose there is a data set contain the multiple fruits images, so that data set given a random forest classification, data divided into subset is given to the each decision tree. Data can be divided into the each decision tree. During this training phase, each decision tree produces the prediction as a one result. Prediction as a one result. When the new data points is occurs, then based on the majority of result and average of result of the random forest classification, predict the final decision. Okay, already I told that is a there is a book. Why? Because మీరు ఒక పొరపాటుని మెటీరియల్ చదివితే మీకు అర్థం కావడం కోసం. ఓకే, మెటీరియల్ చదువుతారు కదా, నేను ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత మెటీరియల్ చదువుతారు కదా, నేను చెప్పింది ఒకటి మెటీరియల్ ఒకటి ఉంటే బాగుండదు. గివెన్ ద టోటల్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఫస్ట్, దెన్ ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ద టాపిక్. ఓకే, okay, next, the major focus on the sector: banking, medicine, land uses, marketing. These are the some of the major random forest using. Banking set mostly use algorithm identify the loan risks. Okay, random forest changes the loan risk. Okay, loan risk. Loan తీసుకున్నాను ఫస్ట్ టైం చెక్ చేసుకుంటాం మనం. డిఫరెంట్ ఏరియా చెక్ చేసుకుంటాం, డిఫరెంట్ డిసిజన్స్ తీసుకుంటాం మనం. ఓకే, వాడు ఇంతకుముందు ఇక్కడ లోన్ తీసుకున్నాడు, 2-వీలర్ తీసుకున్నాడా, కట్టిడా కట్టలేదా, పర్సనల్ లోన్ తీసుకున్నాడా, కట్టిడా కట్టలేదా, హోమ్ లోన్ తీసుకుంటున్నారు, రన్ అవుతున్నా రన్ లేదా, ఓకే, ఏదైనా ఇంకొక గోల్డ్ లోన్ తీసుకున్నాడు, కట్టిదా కట్టలేదా, డిసిజన్స్ అన్ని ఎస్ వచ్చినాయి అనుకో, వి ప్రొవైడ్ ద లోన్. అదర్వైజ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డిసిజన్స్ లా, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 4 లా 3 అని వచ్చినాయి అనుకో, రిస్క్ ఇవ్వచ్చు, లోన్ ఇవ్వచ్చు. కానీ డిసిజన్ లా 4 వచ్చినాయి అనుకో, ఒక 2-వీలర్ తీసుకున్నాడు, నాట్ పేడ్. ఓకే, పర్సనల్ లోన్ తీసుకున్నాడు, నాట్ పేడ్. హౌస్ లోన్ తీసుకున్నాడు, నాట్ పేడ్. గోల్డ్ లోన్ తీసుకున్నాడు, నాట్ పేడ్. వన్ లోన్ ఇవ్వం. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ అదే random forest algorithm. Okay, banking sector mostly use it for the algorithm identify the loan risks. సార్ దీనికి అల్గారిథం ఎందుకని మీరు అనొచ్చు, వాళ్ళు లోన్ ఇవ్వడానికి లోన్ ఇవ్వకపోవడానికి అల్గారిథం ఎందుకు అనొచ్చు. కానీ ఎవ్రీవేర్ వీఆర్ వర్కింగ్ అవర్ బ్రెయిన్, ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఏ అల్గారిథం. మనం ప్రతి పనిలో మనకు అల్గారిథం ఉంటుంది, కానీ అల్గారిథం అనేది మనం పేరు పెట్టుకోలేదు, వాళ్ళు పేరు పెట్టింది, అంతే తేడా ఇక్కడ. మనం ఏ జాబ్ చేసినా ఏం చేసినా కానీ ఒక అల్గారిథం బేస్తోనే రన్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వాడు సినిమాకి వస్తాడా రాదా అనేది మనం చూస్తాం. ఒకవేళ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనం ఒక ఫ్రెండ్ను వీఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ 1000 రూపీస్, ఒక ఫ్రెండ్ను 1000 రూపీస్ అడిగినాం, వాడు ఇస్తాడా లేడా అనేది నువ్వు ఒక 5 నిమిషాల్లో కనుక్కోవచ్చు. పాస్ట్ హిస్టరీ, ఒకసారి అడిగినాం ఇయ్యలేదు, ఇంకోసారి అడిగినాం ఇయ్యలేదు, ఇంకోసారి అడిగినాం ఇయ్యలేదు, ఇంకోసారి అడిగిన ఇయ్యాడు, అంతే. ఓకే, వాడు ఒక టూర్ ప్లాన్ చేసినాం, వాడు వస్తాడా రాడా అనేది మనం ఈజీగా చెప్పచ్చు. ఓకే, ఒక 3 times టూర్ ప్లాన్ చేసినాం, వాడు 3 times మనం హ్యాండ్ ఇచ్చిండు, రాడు. దట్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ random forest algorithm. That is called as a random forest. Okay, one decision not come, another decision also not came, another decision also not came. For example, 4 decisions or 2 decisions are came, 2 decisions are not came undanko, ఏమోరా వాటి ఛాన్సెస్ 50-50 ఉన్నాయరా అంటాం. random forest algorithm 50-50 ఉన్నాయి అంటాం. ఎందుకు 2 times వచ్చింది, 2 times రాలేదు. ఓకే, క్వశ్చన్ కూడా అంతే. ఇప్పుడు వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సబ్జెక్ట్ గా ఒక మల్టిపుల్ ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ వీఆర్ డౌన్లోడెడ్. Okay, we are choosing that one. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ వస్తుందా, ఈ క్వశ్చన్ వస్తుందా, ఈ క్వశ్చన్. Okay, this question is coming 2 times, this question is coming 3 times. There is chance of coming up next we are getting the 80% chance is there we are getting that one. That is also one of the random forest algorithm. Medicine with help of algorithm, decision trends and risk of decision can be identified. Okay, ante this we are cough cold, okay, one tablet, fever another tablet, example. Okay, fever వచ్చింది paracetamol వేసుకో అంటాం ఎందుకు, number of fevers can be get that one, antibiotic, that one. Okay, land uses can be identify the areas of preliminary land used by the algorithm. Same అంటే ల్యాండ్ అంటే ఏంటిది, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒక వీ నీడ్ టు పర్చేస్ దిస్ హౌస్, దిస్ ల్యాండ్, పర్చేస్ దిస్ ల్యాండ్, చుట్టుపక్కల మొత్తం కనుక్కుంటాం అనమాట. ఇక్కడ ఎంత రేట్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఎంత రేట్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ రేట్ ఎంత రేట్, ఇక్కడ హౌ మచ్ ఆఫ్ రేట్ వీ హ్యావ్ సరౌండింగ్ ఈస్ దేర్, బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దట్ వన్ దిస్ రేట్ ఫైనలైజ్ చేసేసుకుంటాం మనం. సేమ్ ఓకే, మార్కెటింగ్ ట్రెండ్స్ ఐడెంటిఫై ద యూజింగ్ దిస్ అల్గోరిథం, యూ నో ద మార్కెటింగ్ advantage. A random forest is capable to perform the both classification and regression task. Okay, advantage same, classification regression they can use it. Okay, it is capable to handle a large data set with high dimensionality. Okay, compared to the decision tree, it is somewhat extent it will handle the large data set. Okay, compared to the decision tree, okay, compared to decision tree handle the large data set. It enhances accuracy models to prevent the overfitting uses. Okay, number of decision can be taken at the time, that is the overfitting. Okay, enhance accuracy will be also increases. The next disadvantage. Okay, most probably it is not full for the regression task. What is the regression? Time series data. Okay, most probability it is not used for the regression. That is a major disadvantages. Okay, random forest can be used for both classification and regression task. It cannot more suitable for the regression task. Okay, this is about the disadvantages. This is about your random forest. Any doubt in the random forest? చాలా important questions ఇవన్నీ, theory questions ఇవన్నీ. Okay, first question is decision tree, second question is random forest, the last question is gradient boost. Okay, this is our syllabus. Okay, decision tree is completed and random forest completed, gradient boost machines. Okay, now second one is fundamental of machine learning, 4 branches of machine learning model and types away we will discuss. Okay, now we are getting the చాలా algorithms ఉన్నాయమ్మా, చాలా algorithms ఉన్నాయి, కానీ in the syllabus we are getting only 3 algorithms are there. Okay, beyond the syllabus చెప్పాలంటే మరి ఇబ్బంది అవుతుంది మీకు, నాకు ఇద్దరికి ఇబ్బంది అయితే. That means as per your syllabus I am going to deal. Okay, decision tree and random forest and gradient boost machine learning algorithms. Okay, what is the problem with the random forest? What is the disadvantage of random forest? ఇప్పుడే చెప్పిన కదా బేటా, రిగ్రెషన్. జస్ట్ ఒక 1 సెకండ్ ముందు చెప్పిన నేను. వాట్ ఇస్ ద డిసడ్వాంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ ర్యాండమ్? మళ్ళా చూపిస్తే మళ్ళీ నన్ను పిచ్చోళ్ళు ఇప్పటికే. ఒక ర్యాండమ్ ఫారెస్ట్ డిసడ్వాంటేజ్ చూపెట్టిన, ఇట్ ఇస్ అ బేసికల్ అప్లికబుల్ టు క్లాసిఫికేషన్ రిగ్రెషన్, బట్ ఇస్ నాట్ సూటబుల్ ఫర్ ద రిగ్రెషన్. Okay, then that problem will be solved in the gradient boost. Okay, machine learning is one of the technical problem. Okay, gradient boost is considered for the most powerful boosting algorithm. A complex regression problems can be solved in the gradient boost. Complex regression problems will be, what is the regression? Time series data. Okay, it is a boosting algorithm. It is a boosting. gradient boost. Okay, then what is the boosting here? What is the boosting? Okay, boosting should be we have a decision sort. It is also one decision tree. Whenever the classification is done, we are getting the one decision. That is a weak decision or strong decision. Okay, boosting. Okay, boosting is a popular machine learning algorithm. Modeling is used to build the strong classifier from the various weak classifiers. Okay, strong classifiers from the weak classifiers. అంటే weak data set ను remove చేసేస్తుంది. It will remove the weak data set. Weak data set. See the example చూస్తే మీకు అర్థమైపోతుంది. Okay, this is the example. Model 1, model 2, model 3. Okay, same gradient boost లాగానే కానీ it is a weak data set remove చేస్తా. How it is removed? Prediction 1, prediction 2, prediction 3 and final predictions. Prediction 1, prediction 2 and final predictions. Okay, this is example. Data decision 1 tree prediction and decision 2 predictions and data decision n prediction. Also same as a gradient boost, but this is some of the problem will solve the regression. Complex problem will be there. Okay, if the gradient boost unable to hold the multi-layer concept, multi-layers, number of decisions are increased, unable to hold like that one. Okay, here number of decisions are increases, the complex data can be classified here. Okay, how it is boosting algorithm works? Okay, there are the few important steps boosting algorithm works. Consider the data set having the different, and we are giving the points. Here we are giving the points, equal weights. Okay, consider the data having the different data points have the initialize it. Now we are equal points to the each data points. We are putting the equal points to the each data set. Data set E. Why? Because the weak data set we have to remove. Weak data set we have to remove. For example, one is high is there, one is low is there. We compensate that one. Data set should be a composite and a cleaned. Okay. Assume that weight to the input to the model, identify the data points every incorrectly classified. And what is the incorrectly classified there? That should be identified and removed. Identified and removed. This is a boosting. Boosting ante okay. పవర్ డెడ్ అయిపోయింది అనుకో, బ్యాటరీ డెడ్ అయిపోతే ఏం చేస్తాం? బూస్ట్ చేస్తాం. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కార్ అనుకోకుండా కార్ బ్యాటరీ అయిపోయింది మనకి. కార్ బ్యాటరీ అయిపోతే ఏం చేస్తాం? కార్ బ్యాటరీ అప్పుడు తీసుకుపోవడం. ఆడేం చేస్తాడు? కొద్దిసేపు ఏమైనా మెకానిక్ పిలిచినాడు, వాడు ఏం సార్ కొద్దిగా బూస్ట్ చేస్తే మీకు కొద్దిగా దూరం వెళ్తే సార్ అక్కడ ఆఫ్ చేయొద్దు. ఆఫ్ చేస్తే ఆన్ కాదు అది, ఎందుకంటే బ్యాటరీ డెడ్ అయింది కాబట్టి. నేను చార్జ్ చేసేస్తా, మీరు బ్యాటరీ రిప్లేస్ చేసుకుంటాడు. అప్పుడప్పుడు రిప్లేస్మెంట్ చేసుకోమని. అంటే ఏంటిది? దట్ ఈస్ అ వీక్ డేటా సెట్ ఇస్ అ బ్యాటరీ ఇస్ దేర్. Battery is there. We have a strong data set is another battery is there. Okay, we are compensate these two levels of batteries. Compensate of these two levels of batteries. Then we predict that one, which one is the good, which one is the bad. That is called as a gradient boost. Gradient boost. Multi-level decisions also occur. Okay, multi-level decisions also. That means consider data set of the different data point to initialize it. And now we equal to the point to each point. అంటే ఈక్వలైజ్ చేయాలన్నమాట. డేటా సెట్ ను ఈక్వలైజ్ చేయాలి. ఈక్వలైజ్ చేయాలి డేటా సెట్ ను. అంటే కొద్దిగా హెచ్చు తగ్గులు ఉన్నాయి అన్నిటిని. అంటే టైమ్ సిరీస్ డేటా సెట్ ను we have to equalize the data. రిగ్రెషన్ ఉన్నదని ఈక్వలైజ్ చేసేయాలి. ఒక why we are to equalize to predict the accurate result. To predict the accurate result. పాలు పంచుకుంటా ఉంటారు విష్ణు అలా 5 నీకు 5 నీకు 5 నీకు 5 నీకు. ఒకవేళ మనం 2 ఇచ్చినాం అనుకో, మనకు 2 మిగిలిన అనుకో, దీనిలో ఒకటి తీసి ఇచ్చేయాలి, ఒకటి తీసి ఇచ్చేయాలి, ఒకటి తీసి ఇచ్చేయాలి, ఒకటి తీసి అంటే వీనికి 4 అవుతుంది, వీనికి 4 అయితే, వీనికి 4 అయితే, వానికి కూడా 4 అవుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as a gradient boost algorithm. Different types also there: gradient boost machine, extreme gradient boost machine, light gradient boost, and Kiet boost. Okay, types are there. Okay, this is a definition. Already I told definition. Gradient boost, one of the most powerful forward learning ensemble method, machine learning. It is a powerful technique for building the predictivity model for the regression and classification task. Regression no, we are convert as a classification. Regression no, we are convert as a classification task convert చేస్తాం. Regression అంటే హెచ్చు తగ్గులు. Regression అంటే హెచ్చు తగ్గులు. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒక దగ్గర 10 ఉన్నాయి అనుకో, ఒక దగ్గర 2 ఉన్నాయి అనుకో, రిగ్రెషన్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. విత్ ఇన్ ద 10 2 10 అనేది చాలా పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది, 2 అనేది చాలా చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది. అంటే ఏం చేస్తాం, వానికి నీకు రావాలంటే 6 6 12 టోటల్ 12 6 6. దిస్ ఇస్ క్లాసిఫైడ్ టాస్క్. Help to predict model to inform of ensemble weak model such as a decision tree. Weak model ను మనం decision tree లకి వెళ్ళి తీసేసుకొని it will have the all have the strong models only. అంటే 2 అనేది వీక్ మోడల్ కదా, వీక్. 10 అనేది స్ట్రాంగ్ మోడల్. We compensate those two. We compensate those two. Then whether the decision from the weak learner resulting algorithm the gradient boost algorithm. అంటే we compensate those weak model into strong model and we apply the algorithm, we are getting the result. Okay, already we done this one. దీంట్లో ఎక్కువ మెటీరియల్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది, బట్ కట్ షాట్ చేయాలి, మీరు చూసేసుకోండి. దిస్ ఇస్ అబౌట్ యువర్ గ్రేడియంట్ బూస్ట్. ఓకే, ఓకే, దిస్ మెటీరియల్ ఐ షేర్డ్ యూ. చూసుకోండి, దీంట్లో మొత్తం ఉంది మీకు. ఫస్ట్ టోటల్, Okay, the next point is fundamental of machine learning. What are the types of machine learning? అదే ఇది. Okay, fundamental supervised learning, that means supervised machine learning algorithms, unsupervised machine learning algorithm, semi supervised machine learning algorithms. Last one is reinforcement. Okay, this is the total. Okay, supervised algorithms. What supervised algorithm contain the classification and regression, that is housing price prediction and medical images. Okay, unsupervised algorithms, customer segmentation, market basket analysis. Okay, this is called unsupervised learning algorithm. Okay, semi supervised learning algorithm, text classification, lane finding and GPS. Okay, optimal marketing, driverless car, reinforcement. Okay, the supervised learning algorithm. Supervised learning algorithm, already we discussed this one. Okay, we are going to deep in this one. Supervised learning algorithm, classification and regression. Okay, already I told there is a different attributes are there. Labeled data set will be there. Labeled, what is a labeled data set? What is a labeled data set? Labeled data set ante enti? Okay, it having the correct data. Okay, organized data, name, rule number, like that one. Like that one, we have shape, size of tail, cat, dog, shape of eyes, color, height, dogs are taller or cat, everything. Okay, we have the everything. We data is called the labeled data set. Okay, correct data set unte labeled data set. Okay, labeled data set, labeled data set. Okay, categorized supervised learning algorithm, classification and regression. Okay, classification regression, we have yes or no, or female or male, red or blue, etc., etc. Spam detection, email filtering. Okay, examples are supervised learning algorithm. Examples are random forest, decision tree. Okay, logistic regression algorithm, super vector machine learning algorithm. These are the some of the algorithms examples. మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ ఏం అవసరం లేదు కదా, ఆల్రెడీ ఐ టోల్డ్ ఇనిషియల్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే, క్లాసిఫికేషన్ రిగ్రెషన్ ఐ టోల్డ్ ఇనిషియల్, ఫస్ట్ టైం మీకు చెప్పిన నేను. ఓకే, నౌ వీఆర్ స్టడింగ్ అబౌట్ అకార్డింగ్ టు సిలబస్. థర్డ్ యూనిట్ లో సిఎన్ఎన్ ఆర్ఎన్ఎన్ వస్తాయి మళ్ళీ మనం. ఓకే, సిఎన్ఎన్ ఆర్ఎన్ఎన్ అనేది థర్డ్ యూనిట్ లో వస్తాయి. Okay, regressions algorithm used to solve the regression problem, which is there is a linear relationship, input output variables, outcome variables, that market trends, weather predictions. Okay, time series data, weather predictions. Okay, simple linear regression algorithm, multivariable regression algorithms, decision tree algorithms, and lasso regression algorithms. Okay, మనం అక్కడ డిస్కస్ చేయండి, ఇక్కడ డిస్కస్ చేసేది ఏంటంటే ఒక దీస్ ఆర్ ద సమ్ ద పాయింట్స్, అడ్వాంటేజెస్ ఆఫ్ డిసడ్వాంటేజెస్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ వి డిస్కస్ ఓన్లీ జస్ట్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద సూపర్వైజ్డ్ అల్గారిథం ఓన్లీ. నౌ వి ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ వాట్ ఆర్ ద అడ్వాంటేజ్ అండ్ డిసడ్వాంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ సూపర్ లెర్నింగ్ అల్గారిథమ్స్. ఓకే, సిన్స్ సూపర్వైజ్డ్ అల్గారిథం వాట్స్ వర్క్స్, ఎక్కడ వర్క్ చేస్తే లేబుల్ డాటా సెట్. Okay, so we cannot exact idea about the classes and objects. This advantage, and we are working in the label data set. That means we have to exact idea about what are the classes are there, what are the attributes are there, everything we exactly know. Okay, how many classes are student class, faculty class, everything. What are the attributes, name, rule number, like that one. Okay, these algorithm help for the prediction of output in the basis of prior experience. Compulsory. Okay, based on the prior experience only, it will be capable of the predictions. What is the disadvantages? Okay, it's not suitable to solve the complex data. That means unlabeled data sets. Complex data and solve chain. It is not able to do the complex data. Okay, it may predict the wrong output if the tested data is different from the training data. Okay, if you are giving the any wrong inputs, okay, it will be predict the wrong output also. Okay, for example, age kind of phone number undi. Okay, inko place link out undanko. That means we are getting the training data set is not good. Training data set is not okay correct. That means we are getting the wrong output. It required a lot of computational time for the train the algorithm. Enduku lot of computational time why is there? If the number of attributes are increases, serial number, name, age, gender, phone number, address, college address, home address, okay, PAN card, Aadhaar card, okay, your wife name, mother name, father name, number of attributes periginayi anko, okay, it is unable to hold. That is required a lot of computation to train the algorithm. That data set is have the lot of complexities there. Okay, it is algorithm unable to hold. Okay, some attributes only it works. Okay, multiple attributes it won't works. Okay, image segmentation. Supervisor algorithms are used to image segmentation. In this process, image classification is performed the different image into the predefined label. Already I told. Okay, when you go for the deep learning, we have to segregate the images. Classification cheyala. Enduku discrete data set kaavadaniki. Okay, that is about the okay image segregation kosam we are using this one. Okay, second point is medical diagnostics, fraud detection. Okay, medical diagnostics, fraud detection, spam detection, all are we are using the supervised learning algorithm. Okay. Diagnosis purpose we are using for the this supervised learning algorithm. Fraud detection, whether the we are taking from the loans, fraud jarugutunda leda. Okay, that is a loan, insurances, everything. Spam detection, everywhere this is the only spam detection. Emails, when you are getting the spam calls, everything it is the spam detection. Also we are using supervised speech recognition. Okay, speech recognition also we are using the supervised learning algorithm. Next point is unsupervised machine learning algorithm. Okay, unsupervised machine learning algorithm we are using the what? Unlabeled data set. Unlabeled. Okay, clustering and gurtukunda first class, morning class. Supervised learning we are unsupervised clustering, association, right? The main focus of supervised learning is characters according to the similarity patterns and differences, clusters, cluster association. Good. Okay, cluster group of the similar data elements is a cluster. Association if then Y, bread butter. Okay, these are some of the unsupervised learning algorithms. Okay, K-mean cluster algorithm, mean shift algorithm, DC scan algorithm, principal component analysis, independent component analysis. Association, I told if then Y. Okay, when you are purchasing X element, how much of probability to purchase Y element? That is called association. Okay, what are the advantages and disadvantages of super learning? చాలా పెద్ద క్వశ్చన్ ఇది. ఒకవేళ అడిగితే మాత్రం మంచిగా ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యి కరెక్ట్ రాసుకోండి. టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ machine learning algorithms. Types of machine learning algorithms. 99% asked question. Important question also. Okay, supervised, unsupervised, semi-supervised, reinforcement, everything you have to write it, and with what are the examples of algorithms and advantages and disadvantages. If you have a small questions or 2 marks question or any 3 marks question are there, in between they are asked for the what are the advantages of supervised learning, what are the advantages and disadvantages of unsupervised learning. They can ask like that also. Okay, okay, what are the types of supervised algorithm? List the types of supervised learning algorithms. Supervised learning types adugutadu vaadu. Okay, you can may expect the small question also. What is the classification? Define the classification. Define the regression. Okay, define the regression. These are the some of the in between questions. In between questions. Define the classification. Define the regression. Okay, define the supervised learning. Just definition they ask it. If you are small questions, if you are long answer questions, explain the types of machine learning with one. What are the suitable example? Like that also we are asking. Advantages and disadvantages. This algorithm can be used for the complicated task compared with the supervised ones because algorithm works on the unlabeled data set. You know that one already I told. Okay, unlabeled data set is works very fine. Okay, supervised people for the varied task getting the unlabeled data set easier to compare with the labeled data set. That means compare అయిపోతా labeled data set convert చేసుకోవచ్చు అన్నమాట. Disadvantages is less accurate data set then the labeled data set. Less accurate వస్తుంది దీంట్లో labeled data set తో పోల్చుకుంటే we are getting the less accurate. How the not trained with exact output is freer. Okay, unsupervised learning is more difficult. This work with the unlabeled data set, does not map with the output. Okay, unlabeled data set is we are not getting for proper result. Unlabeled data set. Okay, next applications of supervised unsupervised learning. Network analysis, recommendation systems, anomaly detection, singular value decomposition. These are the applications of unsupervised learning algorithms. Network analysis. Okay, used to identify plagiarism. Plagiarism and copyright document network analysis text data from the scholar articles. Okay, similarity anattu. Plagiarism nothing but a similarity index. Okay, for example, your document, how much of similarity for the you are taking from the different documents. For copy paste. Okay, copyright also. For example, ఒక ఇది మీకు తెలిసిందే ఒక సినిమా తీసిన అనుకో. ఓకే, ఇది నా సినిమా, నేను చెప్పిన స్టోరీ, నేను ఆల్రెడీ కాపీరైట్ చేసేసుకునే సినిమా, కాపీరైట్ ప్రాబ్లం అన్నమాట. ఓకే, దట్ విల్ బి యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ ద అప్లికేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద unsupervised learning algorithms. Okay, recommendation system. Okay, technique build the recommendation application for the different web applications and e-commerce websites. Okay, how much of recommendations we are got? Websites, e-commerce websites. Anomaly detection. Okay, anomaly detection means frauds, fault in data, frauds, singular value decomposition. Okay, single value, that means the location we are getting for the what single value, which location we have. Okay, singular value decomposition used to extract the particular information from the database, one single information. Okay, it will extract the single information. Okay, semi supervised learning. What is the semi supervised learning? Already ఇది కూడా చెప్పినా మీకు. What is the semi supervised learning? It is a work on the labeled and unlabeled data set. Labeled and unlabeled data set. Okay, with labeled data set, with no labeled data training data. Unsupervised learning. Semi-supervised learning algorithm. Semi-supervised learning is machine learning algorithm. It lies between the supervised and unsupervised. Okay, supervised and unsupervised. ఒక మాట రాస్తే మార్క్స్ ఎవరు ఎలాబరేట్ చేయాలి అందుకోసం ఈ మెటీరియల్ మీకు ఎలాబరేట్ చేయండి మార్క్స్ వేయడం ఎవరు కూడా ఓకే దట్ వాస్ ఓన్లీ సింగిల్ పాయింట్ సూపర్వైజ్డ్ లెర్నింగ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వర్క్ ఆన్ ద క్లాసిఫికేషన్ రిగ్రెషన్ హౌ మార్క్స్ ఎలాబరేట్ చేయాలి క్లాసిఫికేషన్ అంటే ఏంటిది రిగ్రెషన్ అంటే ఏంటిది labeled data set you have a one point in mind you have to elaborate that question that answer you have to elaborate it elaborate chestene meeku marks vastayi that's why I given the material but you know the concept ante ento telste easy to write na ante ento em telagunda pai exam lo kuchuna badalu when you are having the something knowledge about that topic then only you can easy to write. Okay, it is simple and easy to understand the algorithm. It is high efficient. It is used to solve the drawbacks of supervised and unsupervised learning. That means clustering problem, regression problem, classification problem. It will be easy to reduce it. That means easy to solve. Okay. Then what is the problem with this one? Iteration. When you are going iteration and repeated. Iteration result may not be stable. Stable result may not be stable. Why? Because we are using the labeled unlabeled data set. We are using the here labeled and unlabeled data set. That means okay, it may not be suitable for. Okay, we can't apply these algorithms the network level data. These algorithms we are cannot apply for the network level data. Accuracy also low. Okay, reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning works on the feedback based process. Okay, feedback based process in which an AI agent software component automatically expert the surrounding by hitting and tailing, taking the actual learning from the experience and improve the performance. Feedback learning process. Already I told this one also. Reinforcement means a feedback learning. Based on the feedback they are getting from the different sources. Okay, it will be calculated for the accurate. Okay, that is called the reinforcements. Okay, this is called the okay. Children learns for every day. ఓకే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇట్లా నడుస్తుంటే తాకింది అనుకో ఒకసారి తాకితే ఇంకోసారి నడిచింది తాకింది అనుకో మూడోసారి ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ అంటే అటు నడిస్తే నాకు ఇక్కడ దెబ్బ తాకుతుంది అని చెప్పేసి ఇట్లకెళ్ళి వెళ్ళిపోతారు అనమాట ఓకే దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ చిల్డ్రన్ సేమ్ పాయింట్ హియర్ ఈవెంట్స్ సిమిలర్ టు ద హ్యూమన్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చిల్డ్రన్ లెర్న్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద వేరియస్ థింగ్స్ డే టు డే లైఫ్ ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్స్ కానీ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ యూ గో ఫర్ ద సమ్వేర్ ఓకే ఒక సైడ్కి వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు ఒక దేర్ ఇస్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ట్రాఫిక్ విల్ బి దేర్ వన్ ప్లేస్. Okay, second time also we are getting a lot of traffic. Third time also we are getting the lot of traffic. Fourth time compulsory we avoid that route and we are taking another route. That is called a reinforcement algorithm. Okay, day-to-day feedbacks. Enduku avoid enduku chesto? Okay, the previous experience, previous feedbacks, we are taking that one. Okay, this traffic. That means we avoid that route. Same. ఎక్కువ శాతం మేము చెస్ గేమ్ ఆడేటప్పుడు దిస్ అప్లైడ్ వెన్ యూ ఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఫర్ ద చెస్ గేమ్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ సారి పెట్టినప్పుడు మనం చంపేస్తుంది కదా, అంటే ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏం వాడతలేరు అనుకో, చిన్నప్పుడు అప్పుడు మాకు ఈ మేము 90s కిడ్స్ కాబట్టి మాకు అదంతా అలవాటు. ఇప్పుడు ఆడేది మొత్తం దాన్ని ఏమంటారు, పబ్జి. పబ్జి కానీ మేము ఇప్పుడు మొత్తం చెస్ అవే ఆడుకునేది గేమ్. చెస్ ఎలా మేము ట్రయల్ అండ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ అనమాట. ఇక్కడ స్టార్ట్ చేసిన పెట్టేసినాం అనుకో, ఖచ్చితంగా చంపేసింది అనుకో, ఆ మూవ్ మాకు తెలిసిపోయేది కంప్యూటర్ ద్వారా. నెక్స్ట్ టైం అక్కడ నుంచి ఆ మూవ్ తప్పించుకునేది అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్ టైం వేరే కడ చనిపోయినాం అనుకో, ఆ మూవ్